Next problem. Find the value of sigma a square sine b minus c divided by sine b plus sine c. We need to identify the value of this. Here small a, b, c are side lengths of the triangle ABC in general. So first let us take the inside value of sigma notation. Here we have to apply for ABC. Consider a square sine b minus c divided by sine b plus sine c. Here a means according to sine rule 2r sine a I can write 2r sine a whole square. I have applied sine rule for small a into sine b minus c divided by sine b plus sine c. Now here if you apply whole square, it becomes 4r square. Sine square a can be written as sine a into sine a into sine b minus c divided by sine b plus sine c. Now in the next step, here a means 180 minus b plus c I can write. A means 180 minus b plus c. So sin a means sin 180 minus b plus c means sin b plus c. We can write this as 4r square sin a into sin b plus c into sin b minus c. You have to observe that in place of this I have written this divided by sin b plus sin c. Now if you see this here, sin of b plus c into sin of b minus c can be written as sin square b minus sin square c. 4r square sin a into, instead of this I can write sin square b minus sin square c divided by sin b plus sin c. Now if you see numerator, it will be a square minus b square form. This is a square, this is b square. A square minus b square can be written as a minus b into a plus b. If you cancel one factor, remaining will be sin b minus sin c. So finally I'll get 4r square sin a into sin b minus sin c I'll get. So for this we need to apply sigma. So here if you want to apply sigma for this, then it is enough to apply sigma for this. So now sigma 4r square sin a into sin b minus sin c. This we need to identify. Here we have to apply sigma for small ABC and capital ABC. So if you expand sigma, means how to expand? First we have to write this 4r square sin a into sin b minus sin c plus again 4r square sin a is there here, so means sin b, ABC cyclicity you have to apply. So sin b we have to write into, here in place of b c, sin c minus, here you can see c is there, ABC After that again ABC you have to write. So instead of C, A we have to write, means sine A. I think it is very clear for you. Plus finally we will get 4r square sine, here B it is, we can write C. Here instead of C we have to write A, minus after A B will come, sine B. If you multiply all these, all will get cancelled, you will get answer as 0. So what is the final answer? It is 0. Once revise the solution. Next problem. In a triangle ABC, if a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square is equals to sine of a minus b divided by sine of a plus b. If this is happening in a triangle ABC, then the triangle ABC is what type of triangle? We need to find the type of the triangle here. We need to identify the type of the triangle. Consider the given one. We can write in place of A according to sine rule, it is 2r sine A, means 4r square sine square A minus 4r square sine square B divided by 4r square sine square A plus 4r square sine square B is equals to sine of A minus B divided by sine of A plus B I can write. Now if you see 4r square we can take common, we can cancel that. Numerator you can see sine square A minus sine square B. It is sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B, that is the formula, divided by sine square A plus sine square B equals to, it is sine of A minus B divided by sine of A plus B. From this if you see, either sine of A minus B equals to 0 or sine of A plus B divided by sine square A minus sine square A plus sine square B. Either these two 0 means sine of A minus B 0 or remaining will be equal. So sine of A plus B divided by sine square A plus sine square B equals to 1 divided by sine of A plus B I can write. So you can see if sine of A plus B is 0, then A is equals to B. This is one condition. Or you can see here we can write A plus B as 180 minus C. If you write in place of A plus B 180 minus C, then sine 180 minus C is again sine C. So here you can see this is sine C, this is also sine C. So we can write sine square C equals to sine square A plus sine square B. So here you can see according to sine rule, A by sine A equals to what? 2r. Then A by 2r will be sine A. In place of sine A, I can substitute A by 2r. So you can see in place of sine C, what I can substitute? C by 2r. So whole square is there. C square by 2r whole square. A square by 2r whole square. B square by 2r whole square. If you take 2r whole square common right side, you can cancel that with 2r whole square left side in denominator. I think it is very clear for you. Finally you will get this. If you see this, you can see this happens in right triangle. That implies angle C is 90 degrees. So I got two conditions. Either A equals to B means angles these are. A equals to B means angles these are. Or you may have angle C is 90 degrees. So two conditions we got. Either A equals to B, which are angles. Angle C is 90. That means the triangle is either isosceles triangle or right triangle. The triangle is either isosceles or right. Either isosceles or right triangle. That is the final answer. Once revise the solution.